In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a zip file for photos on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. You can easily create a zip file of multiple photos and then share the zip file through your favorite app. First, we will create a new folder in Files app. To do that, open Files app on iPhone or iPad. Now tap the three dots in circle located at the top right side. From the options, tap New Folder. Now rename the folder as you like. Let's rename it to My Pics. Now tap Done. We will now copy the required photos to this folder. Next, open Photos app and tap Select at the top to choose multiple photos. Then tap Share option at the bottom and tap Save to Files. Select the folder that we just created and tap Save. Now reopen the Files app on your iPhone. Now long press on the folder that we just created, which is My Pics. From the available options, tap Compress. And as you can see, mypics.zip file is created. You can now easily share the zip file through your favorite apps like WhatsApp or Gmail. So that is how you can create a zip file for photos on your iPhone or iPad. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.